Today we're going to be installing some CAT6 cable in my home. Let's take a look at how you would actually terminate this cable. I can just keep using this over and over until I basically run out. Have the cable here, you just kind of pull it out and you pull as far as you need to get the length that you need. So we're gonna need a tool to do that. I bought this little cheap one on Temu just to be able to cut things. Makes it way easier. You definitely need something to terminate cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it now. And once I have it cut, we can start our process. From there, you're gonna actually only cut off this black part. So we're gonna insert it there into where it's a strip, about a thumb's length, put it into the right spot, and then bring it down. When we do that, we should be able to twist the cable and it kind of will rotate through and be able to cut all that black cabling off. So it's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, brown, white, and your brown. And it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. You're just trying to get them in the correct order. Sometimes you just kind of have to push the cables over. So you'll see they all start kind of coming together. And then you start seeing they start getting a little closer together. We're gonna get them a little bit closer here. Like I said, I gave myself a tiny bit of breathing room so we can just kind of get in there and get them all cut off. And now we're ready to use this. As you can see, it's significantly straighter, looks a lot nicer. And we're just gonna bring this up here. Once we do that, we're gonna push it in and make sure we got everything in the right order here. Insert it all the way, push nice and hard. Then we're gonna push down. I like using two hands all the time. I always feel like I need to give it that extra little oomph. All the excess was trimmed off. You have your cable in there and you can visually inspect to make sure that all of them lined up in the correct spot. Once you've done that, you're set with one side. It's not going anywhere and you're pretty much good to go. And we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. So let's bring it all the way in. When you do that, again, it's gonna crimp down on the cable with the plastic and securely fasten that cable so it doesn't move around. Nice firm push. And then this, we're gonna just bring it in. I like to use both hands. And just make sure you give it a nice squeeze. From there, you'll see all the excess was trimmed off. You have your cable in there and you can visually inspect to make sure that all of them lined up in the correct spot. We have our cable here and we have this little tester. This little tester is just a little cheapy Temu tester. You don't need anything fancy. You just want to verify that you have your signal right. So we'll connect it into one side here. You should hear the audible click. We're gonna get the other side and we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure you use the RJ45 side. Go all the way until you hear that click. And then you're gonna just watch this. This should go all the way down and all the way through. So as you can see, looks like the cable is testing good. So we should be all set. We can actually go and plug it in and verify that it's all working as intended.